everyone, welcome back to the Northeast Boater. Today we're going to Montauk, New York, the End, the Unhamptons, whatever you want to call it. And we're going with Jackson, Boat Cat.
Connecticut River is flat. No boat traffic, which is good. We'll see what Long Island Sound looks like. Oh, nice job on our life jackets, dear. You cleaned them up. How old are they? About 15 years old? Yeah. It's an auto inflator?
Yep. You got to change the bobbin in here, and you also have to change out the CO2 cartridge.
But you saved us hundreds of dollars. We didn't have to go out and buy new life jackets.
It would have cost at least $200 each.
Yeah.
The life jacket.
Yep. Yeah. Let me go up there and see what's going on. Let's get past this. Okay, I just had to climb to the bow and retrieve our burgee. It was breaking off, we could have lost it. Over here you've got the infamous Plum Island. And Long Island here, Mooring Point. Okay, we're entering the harbor now. Snug Harbor. Looking forward to exploring. We have a very smelly situation. This fish has been here for a couple hours and it stinks. Not sure what hubby's gonna do about it, but he's trying. So, hon, I really appreciate you getting rid of that fish on our anniversary. That's quite the anniversary present you're giving us. Thank you. Because it was stinking everything up. So you had the rubber gloves. What did it feel like?
Mush.
Here at Snug Harbor, where they also have, it's like a motel with the marina, which is awesome. They also have a pool and a laundry, so we're going to check that out. They have a little playground here and grills that you can use. They are charcoal, so you need to bring your briquettes. The pool at Snug Harbor is fabulous and intimate.
Getting ready to scoot on over to Gossman's up on West Lake, all the way at the top of Lake Montauk. Come along for the ride. Montauk is well known for its commercial fishing fleet, and here comes one of the boats now.
Downtown Montauk is a very vibrant place. There's a art show going on right now, and there's plenty of shops and restaurants to your heart's delight. Thanks for joining us here at Montauk at Snug Harbor Marina. It's been a great time. An exhausting one. If you enjoyed this, please hit the subscribe button or give us a thumbs up. Take care. See you again soon.